Good morning, students. How are you? Fine? New chapter in our English, The Bear Story. Okay? Once there lived a lady on the border of a big forest. She found a bear cub in the forest. It was starving. It was quite helpless. The lady had to bring it up on the bottle. The cook helped her. That means one day a lady found a bear in the forest and it was starving, डर रहा था, कांप रहा था, so she brought that bear to the house. Here the phrase bring it up on the bottle, that means she used to feed the bear with the bottle, the milk with the bottle, and she is having a cook who helped her in doing all that things. After many years, it grew up to a big and strong bear. However, he was a most amiable bear. He harmed neither man nor beast. That means now it is grown up and this bear was very friendly. He neither harm man's or the beast. That means वो किसी भी इंसान को, एनिमल को परेशान नहीं करता था. There were 3 mountains pony in the stable. Even these ponies did not feel frightened when he walked into the stable. He also looked amicably at the cattle. That means this woman is having other animal also as a pet, and this bear is friendly with all the animals. He is not harming any of the animal. The children used to ride on his back. They had also been found asleep in his kennel between his 2 paws. The 3 Lapland dogs loved to play with him. They pulled his ears and teased him in every way. He didn't mind at all. That means the babies of the other animal used to play with him. He never harmed anyone. He is very friendly. He used to play with each and any animal. They used to pull his ears, tease him, but this bear was very friendly. He didn't harm any of the animal. The bear ate the same food as the dogs. He ate bread, porridge, potatoes, cabbage, and turnips. He had a good appetite. He used to see with wistful eyes at the apples in the orchard. He was not allowed to climb the tree and eat them. So what happened? Basically, the diet of other animals and the bear was different. But as the lady grew up in her house, the bear eat the same food as the other animals are eating. And there was an orchard in which the apple tree was there, but this bear was not allowed to climb that tree and eat. Mostly the bear used to climb the tree and eat whatever they want, but this bear was not allowed. He had also been taught not to touch the beehives. He was once put on the chain for 2 days when he had touched the beehives. Children, as you know that the bear like honey very very much, उनका favorite होता है, and there was beehives in that orchard also, but this bear was not allowed to touch beehives or eat the honey. Once he had done this, so as a punishment he was tied with the chain for 2 days. So उसको punishment मिली and अक्कल आ गई. From after that he never touches the beehives. Otherwise he was chained only at night. Like a dog, a bear also does not like to chain. The lady visited her sister every Sunday. This sister lived on the other side of the mountain lake. It was not safe to go with the bear through the forest, so on the Sunday the bear was on chain the whole afternoon. So what happened? The routine was that every Sunday this lady used to visit his sister, and it is dangerous or it is not not safe to take the bear to his sister's house, because she has to go through the forest. So what happened? Every Sunday the bear was chained the whole afternoon. उसको chain में बंद करके वो जाती थी. One Sunday, while walking through the dense forest, she found the bear following her. The lady was very angry. There was no time to take him back home. She did not even want him to come with her. She told him in her hardest tone to go back. She threatened him with her parasol. The bear didn't seem to want to obey her. So usually she used to chain the bear and go to his sister's house every Sunday. But what happened? One Sunday, while she was walking through the dense forest, she found that the bear was following him. कोई bear पीछे आ रहा है. Now the lady was very angry कि मैंने उसको chain किया था, अब वो मेरे पीछे कैसे आया. So in a very harsh voice she said to the bear, just go away from here, go to the house. But the bear was not following her instructions. So what she threatened the bear with her parasol. Parasol is an umbrella. This lady used to carry an umbrella with her, and she threatened with that umbrella, but the bear was not at all listening to her. Then the lady saw that the bear had even lost his new collar. She hit the bear with her parasol so hard that it broke into two. The bear stopped and opened his mouth several times as if waiting to say something. Then he returned round and went back. However, he stopped now and then to look back the lady. At last she lost sight of him. So what happened? This lady didn't want that the bear should come, and the bear wanted that he will come. So finally he hit the bear with her umbrella so hardly that it broke into two pieces. And finally she realized that the bear wanted to say something, but she didn't listen to him. And finally the bear returned back, and this lady went to her sister's house. The lady came back home in the evening. She found the bear looking very sorry for himself. It was so because he had been sitting there the whole day. Sitting in the same position, he had been waiting for the lady. The lady was still very angry. She began to scold the bear. She said that he would chain for 2 more days as a punishment. Finally, in the evening, the lady returned back, and this lady was very angry with the bear, because according to that lady, the bear followed the lady in the forest, and finally she decided that she will chain the bear for 2 more days as a punishment. The old cook heard the lady and rushed out from the kitchen. She loved the bear as her own son. She asked the lady to bless him instead of scolding him. The bear, she said, had been sitting there all days as meek as an angel. It was then that the lady realized she had met another bear in the forest. So, what happened when she was scolding the bear? The old cook heard all this thing and she rushed out from the kitchen, and she told the lead, because she loved the bear as her own child. She told the lady that you were wrong. The bear was sitting all the day here only waiting for you. Then the lady realized, yes, I am wrong. Maybe that was another bear who was following her, and his own bear was only sitting here. So she realized that she met another bear in the forest. So, what is the conclusion of the story? The bear story teaches us that one must always react with open eyes in order to avoid wrong decision making. Without any evidence or without anything, you should not react. You should first think and then react to the things. Don't react first and then think कि मैंने गलत किया कि सही थी. First think, जांच लो, परख लो, and after that you should react. That means open eyes. For if you will react without thinking, without an open eyes, you will always make a wrong decision. So this is the moral of the story. This is the conclusion. Story is very simple, but the teaching we get is very hard. Okay, student, I hope you understand the story. Thank you.